Create pro-grade visuals in seconds. Is it worth it? DRISHYAM AI isn't a one-trick pony. It includes 8 dedicated modules built to replace an entire visual workflow. YouTube thumbnail prompts generates click-worthy, highly engaging visual concepts designed to boost your click-through rate (CTR) and grab attention in crowded feeds. Ad creative prompts, specifically engineered for Meta, Facebook, Google, and TikTok ad campaigns. These prompts focus on conversion and visual disruption. Social media graphics, perfect for keeping your Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter feeds filled with on-brand posts, carousels, and stories. Product mockups. If you sell physical products or digital courses, this module creates prompts for photorealistic product shots and lifestyle scenes, saving you hundreds of dollars on professional photography. Branding assets. Instantly generate prompts for logos, color palettes, and complete brand identity systems. Book covers. Whether you publish fiction or nonfiction, this module spits out prompts that yield cinematic, bestseller-grade covers for any niche. Marketing creatives. Focuses on the graphics you need for landing pages, email banners, and sales funnels. Viral content ideas. A unique feature that provides trend-aware prompt ideas specifically engineered to catch the algorithm's attention and go viral. You can use it to generate photorealistic product photos, lifestyle scenes, or hero images, create thumbnails, ads, banners, posters, and social carousels. Make concept art, storyboards, and mood boards for video content. Clean up portraits with face fix and skin retouch. Remove, replace backgrounds, and export in formats ready for publishing. The earning opportunity. How to monetize DRISHYAM AI. This isn't just about making pretty pictures, it's about generating revenue. Here are the top ways you can use DRISHYAM AI to build passive income or active cash flow. Selling on microstock websites. The demand for AI-generated stock imagery is booming. You can use DRISHYAM AI to generate hundreds of hyper-realistic, 8K cinematic prompts, run them through tools like Midjourney or Leonardo, and upload the resulting images to platforms like Adobe Stock. This is a brilliant way to build a completely passive income stream. Freelance design services. Jump onto Fiverr or Upwork and offer services like custom YouTube thumbnails, children's book cover design, or logo concept generation. Your clients will be blown away by the quality, and you can fulfill orders in minutes rather than days. Supercharging affiliate marketing. If you are promoting products on networks like warriorplus, standard Slack files don't cut it anymore. Use the ad creative and marketing modules to generate entirely unique, high-converting banners and landing page visuals that outshine your competitors. If you run animated or educational YouTube channels, the thumbnail is the most critical element of your video. Generating cinematic, scroll-stopping thumbnails will dramatically increase your views and ad revenue. Speed plus control. Many generators are either slow or inflexible. DRISHYAM AI aims to balance speed with deep control. Negative prompts, brand kits, editing. End-to-end workflow. You're not bouncing between 5 tools. Generate, refine, upscale, and export in one place. Brand readiness. Color palettes, fonts, and style presets help keep outputs consistent, a critical need for agencies and DTC brands. Pros. Beginner-friendly, no prompt engineering knowledge required, supports multiple visual categories, works with major AI image platforms, one-time payment model, includes lifetime updates, fast visual creation workflow. Useful for marketers and agencies. Is DRISHYAM AI a scam? In the digital product space, it is always smart to be skeptical. However, DRISHYAM AI is definitely not a scam. It is a legitimate software tool hosted on the trusted warriorplus platform. The sales page is very clear about what the product does. It is a prompt generator, not an image generator. As long as you understand that you are buying an AI visual command center that outputs the text needed to feed into other AI tools, you will be highly satisfied. It delivers exactly what it promises. Why DRISHYAM AI might be best for you. Many AI tools assume users already understand prompt engineering. DRISHYAM AI takes the opposite approach. DRISHYAM AI solves a real problem. Most creators know AI image tools are powerful, but many struggle to create effective prompts. By generating detailed, ready-to-use prompts for thumbnails, ads, branding, mockups, and social media content, DRISHYAM AI can save considerable time and reduce the learning curve. If you're a marketer, affiliate marketer, YouTuber, freelancer, content creator, or agency owner looking for a faster way to create AI-powered visual assets, DRISHYAM AI offers a practical solution at a relatively affordable one-time price.